Okay, you guys, we're getting on a shuttle to do a tour. And they're called Mazatlan van tours, y'all. It's a mouthful. We're going to 4 stops and for 3.5 hours.
How much?
For $30 each, y'all. Can't beat that.
Hey y'all, I'm Gerald.
I'm Tasha.
And y'all, welcome back to Backpack Journeyz, y'all. Y'all, guess where we at?
We are in an island of Mexico, Mazatlan.
Mazatlan, y'all. So we are doing what we usually do, y'all. We're out cruising, but we are here in the city of Mazatlan. In the back, you should see this great big nice scenery and ocean, you guys. We want to bring y'all along so that y'all are included and y'all have a good time like we are. So come on, y'all, let's check it out together.
Yeah,
come on.
Come on, cousin.
I want to see many of them in a few minutes. Bless you. And that's the hotel where John Wayne used to stay, right there. Still on an operation. Yeah, to scare the kids or whatever, you know. And so in this cave, they used to store dynamite. They store dynamite, yes. These are to blast the hill here. See? So that's why they call it Devil's Cave. It's kind of inventing histories about the devil because it smells so good. Was very useful for many generations. For my generation too. You know, my mom used to scare me with that. Behave when you go to the Devil's Cave, right?
Hey y'all, so we are stopping by here, our tour stops here, and you know what? We're near the cliffhanger part of Mazatlan. It's a tongue twister, but just slow the pronunciation down, you'll get it. We are out here just, you know, seeing a lot of the statues. The water's beautiful, you guys, but be prepared to be kind of harassed if you're out here by the cliffhanger by the vendors, because they, of course, they want to sell their merchandise, but they're a little aggressive. Yeah. So we've told like 1 or 2, you know, 3, 4, or 5 people that we don't smoke or we don't need any of the sports paraphernalia. They still persistent. I appreciate the salesmanship, but we have
like,
enough.
No, thank you. No cigars, no none of that stuff. No bar.
Tasha got her coconut chow. How's it taste, honey?
Yes.
What did you say?
16.
How much was it?
You said $3?
4. Okay.
Okay.
4.
Okay.
All right, gracias. Thank you. Hey y'all, so we have just gotten off our van, making a pit stop down here. I guess you could say this is downtown Mazatlan. We're about to get ready to look at their church, which is really big, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all some shots. So we hope y'all enjoying this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and like this video.
Yes,
subscribe,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
The front entrance, y'all. This place is huge. The cathedral. When you walk in, you walk embrace with Jesus on the cross, y'all. Y'all, just the architecture alone is beautiful in this cathedral. Catholic, actually a Jewish Catholic church. Hey y'all, so I should say, we just got out of the cathedral church, y'all. Man, when I say the architect, the detail of this church is massive. This church is big. You guys should check it out when you come here to Mazatlan, because it's pretty big, and you can still see it in the back, y'all, as I stand outside. Tiny, what you think about it?
It's a beautiful church, you know, there's a lot of statues, a lot of, you know, stuff I don't know how to pronounce because it's a different language. Some statues were like, you know, they were really good architecture, but, you know, I don't really know what none of that stuff means. But other than that, you know, you can tell they put detail and time.
It took a time, effort, investment.
Yes.
But
even on the outside, it's beautiful.
Yeah, but definitely, like I mentioned, when you're here, you guys, check it out, see it for yourself. It's definitely very impressive. And there's a lot of statues around on the outside, too. If you can probably see one in the back. Here, let me move it over here. There you go. I think that's Jesus right there. So I'm going to check that out. All right, y'all. See you in a minute, cousin. Bye. Hey y'all, so I'm sitting here in Buffet Dominico, about to get something to eat. We stopped at our last stop here in Mazatlan. I'm gonna get it right before the day is over.
Hey everybody! Here enjoying this lovely, beautiful weather at the beach. And my mango margarita is halfway gone already.
That thing wasted, y'all.
I'm not. I'm not. But it's really good. I also, you guys, we're waiting on our beef nachos. Gerald, what did you order?
I ordered a chicken fajita.
So we're praying that they're good and they're authentic.
I believe they will be.
So
yeah, y'all, we are here at Buffet Dominico. Open 7:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Wait, that would be incorrect, y'all, because it's after that time. Maybe that's their buffet.
Probably.
All right, I'll be right back. Y'all, I hope y'all liked this video. Y'all enjoyed today's adventure with me and Tasha, y'all. Tasha, overall, how did you like
I like
Mazatlan?
Mazatlan.
Yep.
It was really good. I liked it.
Still working on
the tour.
Mazatlan, y'all. Yep.
Yeah, the tour was really nice. The tour guy was good. He told us the history about the area.
Again, y'all, hope y'all enjoying this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, y'all.